Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Caniel. I'm the CEO of Learn, and this is my December CEO message out to the community. Let me start by using a cliche. Time flies. It's December 2022. It's hard to believe. I've used this cliche more than once, but it just seems to really apply. The busier you are, it just seems that you don't notice how things are going by so quickly, and as I say, you don't always take the time to smell the roses. So I just want to take a few seconds and smell the roses, if you pardon the expression here. In the course of this year, what's really come to light and that I'm particularly proud of is how the community has come to see Learn as an integral part of the fabric of their educational community. That is to say that when it comes time to develop resources for homeschoolers, the Dean Committee called on us. When it came time for someone to provide an online virtual school, we coordinated with Western Quebec and put together the Quebec Online Alliance. When it came time to help students really catch up, if you want, with any kind of learning loss that may have happened during the pandemic, our tutorial services really come to the fore. In the meantime, teachers who were not getting release time for workshops were able to take their workshops with Learn online. The same thing with our community partners. We've been able to do so many different things. So 2022 has been just an amazing year for us, and for that I'm most appreciative. I think that it's again a sign of things to come. We continue and hope to believe that we will be there for many years to come, and as I said, responsive to those particular needs. I'm going to keep it brief today. I know for some of you you'll be happy to hear that. I wish that 2023 will be a year full of health and happiness for all of you. I hope that it'll be a year of growth for us, that we see and grab the opportunities that are in front of us to grow, to see things, to do new things in our classrooms, with our students, with our children, so that we can serve them best as they go forward. So Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, and for all of you out there celebrating any particular holiday, I wish you the very best. Lots of love, lots of happiness. Stay well. Bye now.